I am going to be using the following braiding gel, and I'm going to be using warm water in my spray bottle. I'm going to be using the Anila Reset Rinse. It is a rice water. I'll probably also use a little bit of the Extreme Wet Line Gel. So as you can see, my twists are already done. They don't look terrible, but when I initially did my hair, I did use the Shining Jam. Yeah, I did use a Shining Jam, but I didn't use I probably could have used more because my hair is really like soft and it gets frizzy fast. So as you can see right here, I need to go back through the twist and make sure that I put enough jam on it so my hair is completely coated, no frizz at all, and then wrap it. And I think that that'll help keep the frizziness down, at least as far as my hair is concerned. I'm also going to be, I showed you guys this. The point of using this and this is to give my scalp a good clean, to give my scalp a good cleanse while I am in here messing with it. And I probably will have to sit under the dryer for a second to make sure my scalp is dry when I am done. So first thing I'm going to do is start with that. That way if I need to go through the twist and then maybe if the roots get a little bit weird, then I can go ahead and retwist it completely if I need to, or if it's just a twist, I can work with that. So let's do this first. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go section by section and spray my actual roots first. I'm gonna spray it with the water to get it clean, and then I'm gonna go over it with the rice water rinse because I wanna make sure the foundation is clean before I start applying more product, because you don't want product build up on your scalp, because then your scalp cannot do what it needs to do in a healthy environment. So I'm just going through, getting close, rubbing it in. I'm going row by row pretty much. You can see. Just give you an idea. So nothing really like, you know, earth moving, ground breaking. Just me simply going through and spraying, giving my scalp a good spray, and then massaging. Obviously, if you have any buildup on your scalp, you're gonna get it like under your nails. If you have any, I don't, because this is my routine basically. So if you do have a lot of buildup when you do this though, I would recommend you putting all of your hair up in a very loose ball and washing your scalp with like a shampoo. To make sure it gets really clean, and then putting some moisture back into your scalp after that. But obviously for me, I don't need to do that today, but, and this is just, again, just getting down in there, just making sure if there's anything that I need to get off. I did have a little bit. And the middle always grows so fast because I like to wear my hair like up in a ponytail or balls or buns. And when I do that, the middle of my hair goes crazy with the growth, like it's crazy. So that's section middle. All right, so I'm gonna finish this up and then come back when I'm ready to do the rice water rinse. Okay, so now we are done with our spraying down of the scalp. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and actually do my rice water. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I really like it. I use it once a week. I like it because it has a nozzle. It makes it very easy. And, you know, I do feel like it's helping grow my hair. So, I don't know if you guys have tried it, but it's actually by Lala Anthony. So, this, and they have a rice water oil that I use on my hair every day on my edges. So, which I'm pretty sure you could use all over, but right now I'm just putting that on my edges in particular because I felt like they were thinning and they needed a little extra love. And so, yeah. Okay, so with this rice water though, I would recommend not going crazy with it. And I would also recommend going back over it with just a little bit of water to kind of mix it all in. It does have water in it, but if you overdo it, or your scalp is not clean or it has lots of product built up, it'll turn white. So you don't want that to happen. So that's why I said make sure your scalp is clean when you are doing this. And then when you use the rice water, that you don't go crazy with it. You really just need a little bit. And it comes out like water because it is water with rice water mixed in, they say. So don't put a whole bottle on your head. I've been using this for, I think maybe a month. No, maybe a little over a month. And you probably can't see, but you can see. Well, at least you can. I've only had to use that much. So just to show you. All right, so now we're gonna get twisting. Let me grab a hair tie. And honestly, I'm just gonna start in the back. I mentioned in my little short video of me kind of just throwing these up. If you guys wanted to see a real tutorial, then let me know for these twists. I'm happy to do that. So let's get our jam opened. Oh, and before I forget, here is the Power Potion, the actual hair growth oil. So if you're interested, check it out. I probably will, I'm definitely going to do a review because I want to show you guys the progress that my hair, my edges in particular, have made using that and one other product. So yeah, so that'll be coming. I want to use it for a while, but I'm already seeing very good progress with that. So yeah. All right, so all I'm gonna do is unravel the current twist. And I'm not putting this jam on the twist per se. I'm putting it on my hair, if you will. So right here. This is what I'm putting it on right here. Okay, and I feel like I need to put some oil on it too. I don't want them to be greasy though. That's what we don't want. So I don't know if you can see now. I don't know why I put this black shirt on, child. I'm trying to show y'all. But if you can see, there's no frizz on my hair now. So now when I go in to twist it, let me see, I'm supposed to be twisting to the back, okay. I always make sure I need to figure out which way to twist. Oh, toward the front, I lied. Okay, so now I'm really trying to keep myself redoing them all because I just did them not too long ago. But that's the thing. When you do your own hair, you tend to just keep messing with it just because you can. And yeah, try not to do that today. Retwisting only. Okay, so if you guys saw really quickly, I just grabbed on the very end where my hair was coming to an end in the twist. I went ahead and put a little bit of the Wet Line Extreme Gel on it. And again, the goal, overall goal, is to make sure that there is no frizz on my hair. That way it sits in the middle of this twist perfectly. And even when I get down to the bottom and it loosens up just a bit, my hair does not want to jump out and show its face. So when I get to the very end, just take it and wrap it around itself. And then it's a tiny, it's not big at all. There it is. All right, so here's our one twist. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna do one more, and then it's gonna be a spit up time lapse, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it worked out for me. Okay. Okay, so. Make sure your hair is completely smooth. You don't want any knots or anything in it because then you're gonna lose some hair. And that's not the way. Okay. All right, so looks like we started twisting. Actually, let's separate this a little bit. It's a bit of confusion going on in there. All right, so here is the rest of my hair right here. Okay, see they're both very smooth. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and get our twist on. Down. This is what they're looking like. As you can see, my hair is not sticking out. They look beautiful. So I'll come back when we are all twisted up.